In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix there is a problem with OneDrive server's error. You might find this issue frustrating, but with a few simple steps, we can get you back on track in no time. Let's start by accessing the Task Manager on your computer. This is a handy Windows tool that lets you monitor and manage all the applications and processes running on your system. To open the Task Manager, navigate to the Start menu and type Task Manager in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on the Task Manager to open the window that displays all your active applications and background processes. Now, scan through the list of running applications to locate OneDrive. This is the application we're focusing on to address the server connection issue. When you've found OneDrive, you'll want to right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. The option you're interested in right now is End Task. Go ahead and select End Task. By doing this, you're effectively closing down the OneDrive application and terminating its processes. This action can help resolve any glitches or hang-ups OneDrive might be experiencing. Now that OneDrive has been closed, let's relaunch it. Simply open OneDrive again. This restart ideally allows it to start with a clean slate, which could potentially resolve the server problem. If you find that the error message still appears after you've done this, don't worry just yet. There's another step we can take. You'll want to proceed with a complete shutdown of your computer. A full shutdown can help clear out any lingering issues within your system's processes that might be affecting OneDrive. Once your computer is completely off, it's time to power up again with a restart. A fresh reboot often works wonders for addressing stubborn problems. It can effectively reset system conditions that might be impacting connectivity to OneDrive servers. And there you have it. By following these steps, ending the task, restarting OneDrive, and rebooting your computer, you should be able to resolve the persistent OneDrive server error. Keep in mind that these troubleshooting methods are versatile and can help with various software issues. So, remember them whenever you're faced with similar problems. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If this helped solve your issue, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech fixes and tips. Stay tuned for more, and have a fantastic day troubleshooting with ease.